two ball juggling. This time, a little bit more fun. If you've gotten comfortable and confident with the left to right, right to left, and going back and forth, there are some other fun things that you can do before you even move on to three ball juggling, or maybe if you just want to get more comfortable in general, even if you are already on three ball juggling. So some very fun ones we can do is we can go all in one hand, one direction, all in one hand, the other direction, and we can keep them on the same side. Notice now they're not switching sides. We can also, of course, go in the other hand, one direction, in the other hand, the other direction, and in the other hand, keeping them on the same side. What's fun about those is it allows you to get more comfortable with a certain hand, especially if you're feeling like it still needs to improve if it's not your dominant hand. Another thing you can do is really neat. It's called the yo-yo, and you can take one ball and act like it's actually following the other ball. And so when you're throwing it up in the air, for example, I'm throwing the green up in the air, I can follow the blue one, and this will be something we'll do more when we get to three ball juggling. But this is the practice, is just making it match. And it's called the yo-yo, and you can also put it underneath, which is the magnet. And so those are kind of fun practices to get yourself comfortable with doing different things. And of course, everything you do, make sure you can do it on both sides. So again, our yo-yo, following it like it's pulling it, and then our magnet, pushing it upwards, and just kind of getting comfortable with that. Of course, you can also get to a place where you could even do under the leg and even behind the back. But those are all things that maybe you'd want to practice as you get more comfortable with your general throws. So those are just some fun, simple two ball juggling tricks. Remember, that's amazing.